look. Look at what's in here.
Booba. A booba?
I guess, I don't know. It's a gingerbread man. Look
Booba.
at all those stickers. Okay. Look, something here too. Look. Here, open it. Sit down. Sit down.
Ooh.
What is that?
Candy.
Candy.
Open.
You gonna open it? Here, Mommy will open it. You get the rest of the stuff out of your stocking and Mommy will open it.
Look, Baba.
I see.
A bunny.
Reindeer.
It's a reindeer.
No.
No, it's not a reindeer. What else is in there?
Zika.
Santa Claus is in there?
Chapstick.
Chapstick? I really want that chapstick. You want me to open that one too?
No way.
What else is in there? Open it.
Come on, open.
Okay, I'll open that one.
Dick.
Can we open that one?
Dick.
Hold that.
Open.
You open that one too? That's soap. Bear soap. Yep. Got it. What else did you get? Put this lights up. That's the whole point.
Here. Brooke. Chapstick.
You put it on. Okay. Go like this. Go like this. Okay, look at Daddy and say cheese.
Cheese.
Good job.
Chippy.
Chapstick.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go look in your stocking. There's some more stuff in there. Open it. You get it out?
Elmo.
Elmo.
Open.
Let me see.
Let's not open that one right now. Look at Show Daddy.
Cheese.
Good job.
Apple.
What else is in there? Oh, pretty. Headband. Let's put it on. Put it on.
No.
Let Mommy help you.
No.
Alright, fine. Okay, open that. Get something out of your stocking. There's more stuff in there.
Happy.
Headband. What else is in there?
Fish.
Ooh. Look. Push the button.
Wow, that's neat.
Neat. Okay. Let's see what else is in your stocking. Look here. Look what Mommy has. Open your mouth. Can you bite it? I guess not. Here, pull it out with your fingers.
Pull it out.
Candy. It's candy. It's candy. Look. Candy.
Candy.
Here, hold it. Here, hold this. Show Daddy. Show Daddy. Brooke. I'm not turning that off.
Brooke.
Show Daddy. Jeez. All right, let's look in your stocking. This is going a little slow.
Are you in a hurry or something?
No. Look what's in here. What else is in here? Kitty cat socks? Oh, more candy. Can you get it? Oh. Let me help you. Here, now get it. Pull. What is that? What is it? What is this right here? Reindeer. Reindeer. Okay, no more right now. We don't need any more. Oh, she learned how to do it on her own.
More candy.
Not more candy right now, okay? Let's look at your stocking some more.
Candy.
Look what's in here.
Boot.
It's a boot. Yes, it is a boot. What's that?
Look.
Tights. Let's see. Pull them out. Pull. Oh, they have bows on them. Let's get them. Look. Show Daddy.
Get some tights.
Show Daddy. Tights.
Yeah.
Wow, that's neat. That's super neat.
You're silly.
Cha.
Ta-da! You look so cute. Show Daddy ta-da.
Cha.
Good job.
Okay, what else? Oh, pretty.
Tickle.
Santa Claus! Wash, wash, wash. Look at Daddy and say, ho, 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 Merry Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
Okay. Wash, wash, wash. Easily distracted. Okay, let's look in your boot and see what else is in there. Gloves. Okay, stop. Go put your gloves on. Let's put it on your hand. No?
More candy.
No, no more candy right now. Let's see what else is in your boot.
Let's see.
Show Daddy.
Ball.
Ball. Show Daddy.
Let me see. Oh, it's the M&M ball.
Okay.
Okay, come over here.
Alright, come here. Come look in your boot. See what else is in here. Look what Mommy has.
Look at the ball.
Yeah, ball. Here's a purse. No, okay, don't throw it anymore.
We're throwing it.
That ball's not for throwing.
Ball.
Look what Mommy has. Look. A bracelet. Here. Bracelet. Don't throw it anymore. Put your bracelet on.
Let me see your bracelet.
Ball.
It's gone. Look, a purse. No?
Ball.
See what's up. Let's see what else is in your boot. Now push your hand in there. Actually, this will be better, I guess. Oh, not that one. Let's get this one out.
Cuba.
Look at this one.
Ooh.
It's supposed to glow. It's supposed to light up. Maybe I didn't throw it hard enough. Oh, oh, there it goes. Look, Brooke.
Wow.
It's gonna break something, isn't it? Totally gonna break something.
Show it to me. Say cheese.
Show it, Daddy. Show it. Look at Daddy and say cheese.
Cheese.
Show Daddy the ball.
Ball. The ball.
Yeah, I see it. Good job.